Welcome back Bitcoin World Crypto channel. It is free crypto earning channel. You can subscribe this channel. Through this channel you can earn free cryptocurrency. We work on bounties and make reviews on different new projects. Today I am sharing with you another amazing project, bnbfintech.com. This is the main website of bnbfintech.com. BNB Fintech is a new and innovative fintech company focused on cryptocurrencies. BNB Tech goal is to become the future of face-to-face cryptocurrencies payments and sales. BNB Cash is a local symbol for BNB Fintech running on Web20 platform. BNB Cash is fast, the transactions fees are low and safe. Portfolio will be unique in that it will host many projects. Investor will need only one app to access all BNB fintech development. P2P cryptocurrency market where consumer can buy sell everyday's items using form of payments. These are the key features of project. And this is tokenomics detail, team, development, marketing, partners, whitelist, pre-sale phase 1, PancakeSwap, public airdrop, launch fees, holders, liquidity, team, development and marketing. And this is roadmap detail. They started 2021 quarter 3, internet work process phase, presentation for whitelist, and you can also check out here all detail of roadmap. They will moving forward according to their roadmap, and this is the team. You can also contact them via email, and on Twitter you can read this tweet. We are happy, proud and happy to announce our partnership with Babyline NFT. We are first launchpad project on their platform. Take a look on our NFT collection here, and this is the website of babyline.io. You can also visit it here and can watch BNB Fintech NFTs. These NFTs are on sale. You can check out it here. 20,000 PUSD is price, and this tab is collectibles. You can also visit it here. If you are NFT creator, you can join this website and can launch your NFT here. Project is strong, its bounty is live, you can participate its bounty. To join its bounty, this is the main thread of bounty. You can join it. First of all, read all these terms and conditions. After that, you can provide your proof of authentication using this format. And these are the mandatory rules to join this bounty, and reward allocation is here. You can read this detail and the report section, and this is the spreadsheet. You can check out here your status. First is content creation campaign. You can join it, and this is the registration form. All rules are clearly written here. You can read it and apply for this campaign. Twitter campaign, 300 followers, you will get 1 stake, and these are the rules to join this bounty, and this is the registration form. You can submit your report on weekly basis using this format. And Telegram campaign also available here, and this is the registration form. Fill up this form to participate. And Reddit campaign, all these campaign are available here. This is all about this project. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.